Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole and today we're doing a quick and easy hard apple cider cheddar bread. It's a tender, quick bread loaf studded with sharp cheddar cheese. Fantastic, served with your favorite soup or stew. Our loaf starts by buttering a 9x5 loaf pan. Next, we'll measure out 3 cups or 360 grams of all-purpose flour. I find using a scale yields the best result, or you can use a proper scoop and level procedure to measure your flour. And to the flour, you'll add baking powder, granulated sugar, salt, dry mustard powder, onion powder, and chopped parsley. And give that all a good mix to combine well. To melted butter, you'll add garlic powder and give it a stir. Add grated sharp cheddar cheese, make a well in the center. Add all but 1 tablespoon of the melted butter and 1 330 ml bottle of hard apple cider. And bring it all together. Mix just until there's no dry flour left visible. And pour into your prepared pan. Level out and brush with the remaining butter. Bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow to cool to slightly warm or room temperature before removing. Slice and enjoy. The hard apple cider pairs wonderfully with the cheese, and the carbonation helps create a tender loaf. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.